Do you know many people are having trouble with capturing their screen on their Xiaomi? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press buttons. Start by pressing the volume down and power buttons at the same time. Step 2. Swipe fingers. Swipe 3 fingers down the screen to capture your display effortlessly. Step 3. Open Control Center. Access the Control Center by swiping down from the status bar. Step 4. Tap Screenshot icon. In the Control Center, find and tap the screenshot icon. Step 5. Save screenshot. Ensure that the screenshot is saved in your gallery for future use. With these steps, you should now be able to take screenshots easily on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Xiaomi users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.